In an attempt to leave his island, Gilligan builds a raft and sets to sea. The wind changes a great deal during the day, and he is blown along the following straight lines: 2.5 kilometers, 45 degrees north of west; 4.7 kilometers, 60 degrees south of east; 1.3 kilometers, 25 degrees south of west; 5.1 kilometers straight east; 1.7 kilometers, 5 degrees east of north; 7.2 kilometers, 55 degrees south of west; and finally 2.8 kilometers, 10 degrees north of east. What is the distance of his final position from the island in kilometers? Again, we're doing what we always do with vector addition. We take the size of the vector, multiply by the cosine of the angle if we're measuring from the east to the north. To get the x component, we just have to add up all of these x components, and we get 3.28 kilometers. We do the same thing for the y. We just change from cosine to sine. We get negative 6.57 kilometers. Our total distance is the square root of the sum of the squares, or 7.34 kilometers. As far as direction, we do the arctangent of y over x. We get negative 63.47 degrees. Notice that x is positive, y is negative, so we're in the fourth quadrant, and that means this angle is actually correct if we want to measure starting from the east to the north. If we measured south of east, we'd get positive 63.47